special guest, Catalina. Come on out. This sixth grader has been working up for this game show for so long, and she's going to help us solve decimal word problems. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Well, in our show, there are 4 levels: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The only way you can advance to the next level is if you solve 3 word problems correctly. If you get all the questions correct, you win $1 million. Let's go! Our first level is addition. All right, here is your first problem. My pile of rocks weighs 21.21 pounds. My friend Ralph's pile of rocks weighs 6.72 pounds. If I combine these 2 piles, what is the total weight of the sticks?
Plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus nothing is 2. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4 spots for the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots for the decimal. I say the answer is 0.2793.
All right, Catalina, let's take a look at your work. Great job on the addition. But remember, when we're working with addition, we need to remember that the decimal lines up so it goes straight down. So how many decimal places did you move over on your problems? 2. Correct. So you would only move it over 2 times.
Oh, so I just bring it straight down because of the decimal and the place value?
Exactly.
Oh, so it should have been 27.93.
Great job. Let's move on to the next problem. Here's your second problem. This morning, my good old dog Harley weighed 16.34 pounds. When I went to school today, he got into the snack cupboard and gained 12.7 pounds. How much does Harley weigh now?
Oh, shoot. I need help. Can I phone a friend?
Yep, here you go. Call the 6th graders.
Help!
Uh-oh, Catalina needs your help. She phoned a friend and chose you. Pause this video and work together to solve this problem. When you're done, press play and we'll see if you can help Catalina get it correct. Let's hear your answer for problem number 2.
With the help of my friends, I got 29.04.
Great job! Now we have one more problem before you can move on to the next level. Here's your problem. I have $50.25 in my bank account.
Cool.
On my way to class today, I found $19.66 on the ground. How much money do I have total? All right, 6th graders, now it's your turn. Pause this video and see if you can work through this problem so that Catalina can move on to the next level. Let's hear your final answer for problem number 3.
I got $69.91.
Great job! I think that's what our other 6th grade friends got. Time to move on to the next level. Great job! You completed the first level. On to your next level, subtraction! Here's your first subtraction decimal word problem. Dora went to the grocery store with $45.80. She spent $28.45 on fruits and vegetables. How much money does Dora have left?
Okay, subtraction. Oh, I have to borrow from this one, I know, and move this to make it 10 ones. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. Oh, another borrowing. Make that 15 minus 8, which is 7, I think. And 3 minus 2 is 1. And I can't forget it's money. $1,735. Final answer.
All right, Catalina, let's take a look at your problem. Great job with the subtraction, but we are missing something from your answer. What do you think we're missing?
Oh, shoot, this is the decimal edition of the show, and I don't even have a decimal in my answer.
Exactly. So remember, the same as addition. When we're working with subtraction, we move the decimal straight down. So how many places are we going to move our decimal over in the answer?
2, because it goes straight down again. Man, I wish I could change my answer to $17.35.
There you go. Great job.
Here's your second subtraction word problem. Today is the mile run at school. Edgar sprinted first and ran his mile in 12.8 minutes. When it was Shelby's turn, she sped off and ran it in 10.44 minutes. How much faster was Shelby's run than Edgar's in minutes?
Can I use my phone a friend again?
Sure, here you go.
6th graders!
All right, now pause this video and work together with those around you to see if you can get it correct. Press play when you're done solving it.
Let's hear the answer for our second problem of subtraction.
After talking to my friends, I got 2.36.
Great job! On to problem number 3. Here's your problem number 3. Last month, Caroline weighed 106.4 pounds. This month, she only weighs 97.76 pounds. How much weight did Caroline lose?
Pause this video and work by yourself to solve this problem so Catalina can move on to the next level. Press play when you're done.
Let's see what our contestant got for problem number 3 and see if she can move on to the next level.
8.64.
Yay! You did it! On to our congratulations! You completed the subtraction level. Now you have your third level, multiplication. Here's your first multiplication word problem. Marcus earns $4.20 per hour at his gardening job. If he works 3 hours that day, how much money does Marcus earn?
Okay, multiplication time. So I know I don't have to line up the decimal like addition and subtraction. So I'm just going to start by multiplying. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 4 is 12. Well, this 0 doesn't really matter, I don't think. And I know I have to move the decimal over 2 spots. So 1, 2. I think the answer is $1.26.
Let's take a look at this problem, Catalina. So you move the decimal over the correct amount of times to 2 places, but the 0 does matter. Why do we think that the 0 does matter in the answer?
Place value?
Exactly, the place value. So we can't get rid of that 0. So let's remember that we move it over 2 times because we don't bring it straight down like we do in addition and subtraction. And let's solve it with adding the 0 without canceling it out.
So if I have my answer that I thought, and if I kept the 0, 1, 2, I want to change my answer to $12.60.
Great job, Catalina.
Problem number 2. Leo wants to buy a watermelon that weighs 5.5 pounds. The watermelon costs $1.58 per pound. How much will the total cost of the watermelon be?
Can I phone a friend again?
Here's the 6th graders. They're waiting on you.
Go ahead and pause this video and solve the problem with those around you and see if you can get the answer correct.
Problem number 2 has been solved, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what our contestant got.
My friends helped me get $8.69.
That is correct. Problem number 3. Christopher is so hungry for brownies. His recipe calls for 5.23 cups of sugar, and he wants to make 11 batches. How many cups of sugar is Christopher going to need?
Let's pause this video now and work by yourself to complete this problem. Then Catalina can move on to the last and final level.
After solving problem number 3, let's see what our contestant got for her answer.
57.53.
Great job! All of our 6th grade friends got that correct. Good job! You completed multiplication. Now your last and final level, division. Here is your first division word problem. The owner of Dairy Queen has 7.11 pounds of ice cream. If he puts the ice cream into 9 jars, how much ice cream will each jar contain?
Okay, so I have the division problem written out, and I think I have to move the decimal 2 places to here, and then move it up right here. So 9 goes into 71 7 times, and so that is 63, which means I have 8 left over, and I bring that one down, 81. 9 goes into 81 9 times, which means that leaves me with 0 as a remainder. I think the answer is 79.
All right, Catalina, let's take a look at your answer. So you moved the decimal over 2 times and you brought it straight up. Now,
Yep.
Does this answer make sense to you that there would be 79 pounds of ice cream?
Maybe not.
Well, actually, when we're working with a decimal in this division problem, we don't move it straight up. We keep it exactly where it is, and this is because of something we call place value. So go ahead and move that decimal straight up. Now, does your answer make more sense?
Yes, I think that makes a lot more sense.
Great job.
Here's your second problem for division. An aquarium owns 7 identical tanks. Altogether, the tanks can hold 237.3 gallons of water. How much water can each tank hold?
Can I please phone a friend?
Here you go.
Right, go ahead and pause this video and work with those around you to solve the problem.
1, 2. Now that we're on our 4th and our final level, let's hear what we got for problem number 2.
My 6th grade friends helped me get 33.9.
Great job! On to problem number 3. Alright, Catalina, here's your final problem for division. A chocolate factory made 368.1 pounds of milk chocolate in 3 days. How much milk chocolate, on average, did the factory make per day? Okay, done.
Catalina needs your help again. Work by yourself to solve this problem so that Catalina can win $1 million.
Alright, everyone, it's our last problem for the whole game show. Let's see what she got.
122.7.
Correct! Congratulations! You've completed all levels of Are You Smarter Than a 6th Grader? Decimal Edition. Do you want to try and win $1 million by completing the bonus question?
Of course.
Let's do it. Here you go. Joey has $6.39 to buy candy bars for his friends. If each candy bar costs 90 cents, how many candy bars can he buy?
Oh boy.
Now it's time for the bonus problem. Work with those around you to solve this decimal division problem. Make sure to carefully look at where you're moving the decimal place for this problem. When you're done, press play and we'll see if Catalina wins the game.
It's time to see if our contestant won $1 million. Let's see what her answer is.
Okay, I got 7.1.
That's correct! She won, ladies and gentlemen, the first and the only contestant on Are You Smarter Than This Sixth Grader to complete all levels, thanks to your help. Join us next time for Are You Smarter Than the Fifth Grader Decimal Edition Round 2.